Hello everybody, welcome back, and the good news in 2020 just continues to come along. After OnePlus Nord, we have Google's version of AirDrop. Let me quickly take you through the highlights, and then if you like, close the video. Who cares? So, Google is rumored to launch its Apple AirDrop-like feature in August for the Android users. Rejoice, can you hear the claps? AirDrop is a file sharing feature that lets Apple users send and receive pictures, videos, and other important files. Google is done testing the nearby share feature. So it's not going to be called AirDrop, of course, it's called nearby share feature and might release it in the next month. And if you want, you can close the video now. Bye, take care. So the video continues. Google is rumored to launch its Apple AirDrop-like feature in August for the Android users. The AirDrop is a file sharing feature that lets Apple users send and receive pictures, videos, and other important files. Google was rumored to come up with an AirDrop rival, and seems like it is finally happening. Good. Some reports have confirmed that Google is done testing the nearby share feature and might release it in the next month. As per a GSM Arena report, the AirDrop-like feature would be called the nearby share tool. It is currently available in the beta version and it will run on Android 6 and newer. This is good. We know. Which version are we on? Android 10? Earlier this month, after months of speculations and rumors, Google had confirmed that it is developing the nearby share feature. This is the official statement now. We are currently conducting a beta test of a new nearby share feature that we plan to share more information on in the future. Our goal is to launch the support feature on Android 6 Plus devices as well as other platforms. Google told Android Police, confirming the same. Android Police is amazing, yes, they're everywhere. The nearby share feature will let Android devices exchange files and folders similar to how Apple lets its devices iPhone, iPad and Mac to exchange files and folders without any hassles. Developers have got their hands on the beta version of the feature and they have reported that in order to send or receive anything, you will have to first switch the nearby toggle on, which is fine, so that we have control. Users can then send pictures, videos, files and other folders simply by tapping the share button. Nearby share will allow you and show the list of users who have the nearby feature on their Android devices. This is good. So sort of like Bluetooth, isn't it? The new feature by Google will work pretty much like Share It, the app that has been banned by the government in India, but with the nearby share features, user will get many more controls. Like you can control whether you want to receive files from anyone in the vicinity or just by the contacts that have been added to your phones. So you have better integration with the OS. Okay. Users do have the option of sending files to people who are not added to their contact list. However, if you do not wish to be discovered by just about anyone, you can make the changes using the toggle in the quick settings menu. However, in order to maintain security and privacy, a user will first need to accept whether he wants to receive files from a particular device, like Bluetooth pairing. Only when the approval is granted, users can receive file from the another device. This would help in barring unnecessary interactions with the unknown contacts. And this is done. Something about OnePlus Buds, but let it be. Now, OnePlus Buds to have feature of 30 hours battery life. So we of course needed this feature very much, and it's really awesome that this feature is coming, but I don't know for sure how good or bad it will be. I think like the thing with Apple is that you have like 10 devices. If somebody has an iPhone, definitely has like 2-3 more Apple devices, and that makes the transfer and communication that much easier. But now here it's coming. I don't know. I mean, because for Android, there's no ecosystem concept. So I don't know how it will pan out in the longer term. Because let's say I can have an Android phone and a Dell laptop, for example. So how will that communication happen? But we'll see. We'll definitely see. That's the problem with not having an ecosystem. But it all seems good. This is the first step. Hopefully it is good, it is quick, and it is safe, as we say about all the other things. Right. So if you liked the video, let me know. If you did not like the video, still like the video and share it with everybody and watch it again and again. And I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye. Take care.